You are out. The uniform is in the back of the closet. You're looking for that perfect civilian job, and you've done the right thing. You file for your VA disability claim and apply for your post 9/11 GI Bill benefits. Great. Stop right there. I need you to understand one critical, frustrating reality about military transition. The VA paycheck gap is real, and it will crush your budget. Again, I spoke on this in my previous video already, but the average VA claim takes over 81 days to process, and oftentimes a lot longer if it's complex. That means 3 months, sometimes 4, sometimes 6, where you are waiting on the benefits you've earned to kick in. And your first monthly housing allowance check from school, that often takes just as long. You cannot afford to wait. Relying solely on your savings or a prayer is not a mission plan. You need an income bridge, and that bridge is available to you right now, built on the one resource you already possess, your unique military experience. This is your transition game plan, and I'm going to show you 3 specific side hustle to build an income bridge now, and a GI Bill secret that will change your perspective on education. So, hustle number 1, become a veteran content creator on TikTok and YouTube. I know. You hate the dancing. You think you're not an influencer, but you are missing the point. You have an in-demand niche. Civilians are fascinated by military life. And more importantly, millions of other transitioning vets are desperate for relatable, actionable advice. Why start now? Monetization on these platforms, getting paid for views, require a minimum subscriber and watch hour count. You have to build that audience before you need the money. It takes time. So your terminal leave is the perfect time to start filming. Here are things you can talk about. Very simple. High value content. 1. Translating your MOS or AFSC. How to turn an E4 Mafia platoon sergeant into a corporate title. 2. Document your VA journey. Day 45 of my claim. Here's the phone call I had. 3. Transition budgeting. Your best tips for stretching your final paycheck. My challenge to you today is start with one 60-second video a day on either TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Authenticity is currency here. Side hustle number 2, create and sell digital products. Your military discipline and knowledge are worth money right now. You don't need a huge following for this. Example, you can sell a military to civilian resume template for $10, or a printable step-by-step 180-day transition checklist in PDF form for $5. You create it once and you sell it indefinitely. The only cost is a few hours of your time. This is immediate, high margin income. And today with, ChatGPT and Gemini and OpenAI, a lot of this writing can be done without any much of your effort except for the prompt that you have to input to tell ChatGPT what to do. So I just spilled the secret right there. Side hustle number 3, affiliate marketing. You are already recommending tools to your battle buddies. Now, get paid for it. Focus on products that solve a specific veteran problem. Financial literacy books, LinkedIn profile optimization services, or study guides for professional certifications like PMP or Security Plus. You get a unique link, share it in your videos or description, and earn a commission when someone buys. This works best because your audience is hyper targeted. So we have content creation to build the audience. We have digital products for immediate sales, and we have affiliate marketing for passive income. Use all 3. There is nothing wrong with that. Now, for the education secret many transitioning vets never learn about because they're too focused on the local community college. You can use your post 9/11 GI Bill to study overseas. Yes, school in places like the UK, France, or Australia are VA approved. Your tuition is covered up to the annual national maximum, just like a private US school. But here's the kicker. You still receive a monthly housing allowance. The MHA is paid at the foreign school rate, which is the national average BAH for an E5 with dependents. Imagine earning a respected, debt-free degree in a new culture, with the VA essentially paying for your living stipend. This is the opportunity you earn. The catch? You must confirm the specific school and program is VA approved using the VA's GI Bill comparison tool. The process takes longer. Start this application 120 days before you want to leave. Don't let this benefit go unused just because you didn't know it was an option. With that said, treat your transition as your next deployment. It requires a mission plan, discipline, and execution. You wouldn't go into combat without a plan, so don't go into civilian life without a financial safety net. Your mission starts now. Step 1, film one 60-second video tonight. Don't edit it, just post it. Step 2, search the VA site right now for one foreign school that excites you. Take control of your income and your future. If this video helped you build your game plan, hit that like button. Subscribe for more veteran financial and transition guides. And check the description for the links to all the resources we discussed. You've earned your benefit. Go get paid.